Hi guys, welcome back to the Go Get Yours review channel. I'm Eddie Art, and today we're going to be checking out the NEEWER BP300 bi-colour LED radio light kit. Now these BP300 lights, they are part of NEEWER's new basic range. In that basic range, they tend to cater for those budding up-and-coming YouTube, TikTok and photography beginners, where those funds might be a bit of a limitation. We have in fact on this channel had the pleasure of reviewing quite a few of NEEWER's products in the past, and I just want to quickly thank NEEWER, who have not actually sponsored this particular video, but in fact allowed us to conduct an unbiased review. Muchas gracias. Cheers. But let's head inside and see what we get inside the box. So as you open the box, we come to a simple user guide. Everything like most of the NEEWER products come extremely protected and packaged. Let's go straight for the light panels. So this is the BP300 light right here. It has a soft plastic light filter. The main body is ABS plastic, plenty of ventilation to the rear and certainly quite light. It does have a mounting hole to the bottom and there's also one to the side too. So yes, you will be able to use these light panels horizontally or vertically, depending on what you're going to be using them for. Now the light panel itself does come with an affixed 200cm USB-A cable. On that same cable it does have a wired control unit that will simply control the on-off functions, control the brightness and also change the lighting modes. And when it is indeed plugged in, you should get an LED illuminated power light, which is situated central. Now at this point I didn't actually realise that we did receive two BP300 light modules. This one is exactly the same as the other one. We should have, one adjustable light stand. I do believe that it extends up to 60 inches tall. Again, I do have two of these. Here's the second one, and lastly we receive a mobile phone holder with a ball head articulation. It should fit most mobile phones, and you'll be pleased to know that we do get a USB type A to USB type C adapter. So if you want to, you can plug these light modules, power them via your laptop, power banks, or indeed a more modern mobile power brick. Let's go ahead and quickly put them together. The NEEWER light stand is very easy to unfold and expand with a quick and easy setup. These light stands, by the way, on their own do retail at around about £20 to £30 off the NEEWER website, and if you quickly grab the light panel using the mounting hole to the bottom, or in fact on the side, all you've got to do is grab the light stand, twist the light stand into the hole, tightening it very slowly, trying not to over tighten it. You can position the light panel in different directions, with loads of manoeuvrability. And well, let's go ahead and plug in that USB wired connection. Let's switch the NEEWER BP300 light on and explore the modes, etc. So each one of these light panels have 300 light beads. You can set the colour modes depending on your scene or atmosphere you're desiring, with a 150 lux illumination and between a 2700K to 6500K colour temperature range. It does do a pretty good job brightening up objects when filming. Taking photos, taking away some of those glares that you do get with some ring lights. Again, it keeps a good illumination. Obviously, I wouldn't say they are as bright as those NEEWER Studio Lights, but we've previously tested out on our channel. They are very much more expensive, but in NEEWER's basic range, I would say that these light panels are very much suitable for taking snaps on Instagram, selfie pics, or in fact if you're doing makeup tutorials Or these light panels, you can put either one of them left and right of you, and it should keep the video looking very pristine and much more professional. Again, both lights and stands are very light and nimble, easy to maneuver around, and my partner has certainly had a good use of these, as she has her own business and own brand. Making her own concrete candle jars, these light panels have actually been very well effective. The mobile phone clips, by the way, they are very secure indeed, very simple to fit, with good articulation, so you can face the phone down, at a tabletop, or face it towards you, say if you're again doing some type of tutorials or selfie videos. Now I will note that this was a personal choice for me to pick these from the NEEWER's basic range. I was given quite a vast amount of things to choose from, and these are the light panels I chose. Again, this isn't a sponsored video, and I must admit, from starting my channel way back with just 400 subscribers, I've always found that I've gone with the NEEWER brand, as they were reliable, budget friendly, and when it comes to these lights today, and you're looking for something basic to start off in your studio or at home, then I can definitely recommend the NEEWER BP300s. That is, if you're using them for light use only. In other words, if you've got the money and you're looking for something a bit more professional, a lot more brighter, then you most likely will benefit from taking a look at their professional range. It might cost you a few £100, but those lights, trust me, I've had mine for a good couple of years, and they've certainly served their needs. Now these NEEWER BP300s, considering that the light stands themselves, each of them cost between £20 and £30 to replace. For this dual kit, you'll just pay over £50. That's around 66 in US dollars. So actually, they are quite affordable. But what do you guys think? Are you interested? If you are, I've left the link in the video description down below. Again, I'm not affiliated in any kind of way, but let me know if you've actually bought these BP300s already. What's your experience using them? Get commenting in the comment section down below, so other people looking to purchase them will understand all of our experiences. I would actually simply ask you guys, please, if you've liked this video, click that like button, share this video wherever possible, but most importantly, subscribe just now, it's free to do so, bearing in mind to hit the bell notification option so you guys stay updated on our brand new uploads. Speaking of uploads, I will showcase those Studio NEEWER lights. That video was popping on screen just now. You can take a look at these ones. They're a bit more expensive than the ones I've just advertised, and if you're looking for some type of microphone kits or anything like that, there you go. But yeah, hope to see you guys real soon, and I'll see you all in a bit. Take care. Peace.